In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name on Acuity scheduling. When maintaining an online presence, ensuring that your business information is up to date is essential. Maybe your business has undergone a rebranding, or perhaps you simply need to correct a typo in your business name. Whatever the reason, changing your business name on Acuity scheduling is a straightforward process, which I'll walk you through in this video. First things first, make your way to the Acuity scheduling homepage. This is where all the magic starts. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll notice a few options available for you to explore, but what we're interested in is the login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used to set up your Acuity scheduling account. Type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, you'll click on the Next button, moving you forward in the login process. This brings us to a critical step, especially if you've linked your Acuity scheduling account to your Google account for ease of access. You'll see an option to continue with Google. Select that, as it simplifies the login process and reduces the number of passwords you need to remember. Picking Continue with Google will prompt you to select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you choose the one associated with your Acuity scheduling. This is important because mixing up accounts could derail your progress with logging in. Once you've successfully navigated through the login process, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Acuity scheduling. Here you want to direct your attention to the menu option located on the top left corner of your screen. This menu is your gateway to various settings and features within Acuity scheduling, including the capability to adjust your business name. In this menu, look for and click on the Edit option. This action will direct you to a page where you can make several adjustments related to your business profile. Among these options is the ability to change your business name. Upon selecting the option to edit, you'll be taken to a field where your current business name is displayed. It's here that you can make the necessary changes. Either type in your new business name or correct any existing typos. This step is crucial in ensuring your business is represented accurately to your clients. Now, here's an important note. After you've input your new business name, you might see a cancel button nearby. Be cautious not to click on this unless you wish to discard the changes you've made. Instead, look for the save button, which is usually located somewhere around the bottom or top of the page. Clicking save will confirm your changes, effectively updating your business name on Acuity scheduling. Remember, the correct reflection of your business name across all your scheduling and social media platforms can significantly influence your brand's perception. A consistent and accurate representation ensures professionalism and helps in building trust with your clients. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your business name on Acuity scheduling. This seemingly simple process is a part of maintaining a polished and professional online presence. Regularly updating your Acuity scheduling profile, along with your business name and other information, ensures that your clients always have the most accurate details about your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're rebranding or just making a small tweak, keeping your business information current is key to a successful online presence. Remember, these changes not only reflect on your scheduling platform, but also contribute to the overall consistency of your brand. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials tailored to make your business management seamless and efficient. See you in the next video.